Alright guys, today is Friday and we are placing a short straddle, a weekly expiry, right? Next it's going to expire on 15th, so that is why we are placing short straddle today. So I place a short straddle when exactly near 10 a.m. At that time here you can see price was somewhere around 15,650. We place short straddle exactly 15,700. So here you can see this is my position, and right now here you can see Nifty 15 expiry July 15,700 call, we sold it, and 15,700 same expiry 15 next week, and that's we sold. At that time premium was 88 call side and put side 113 premium. Right now here you can see some profit and loss here, 700 something profit. And when we place this order, at that time delta was somewhere there here, call delta 88, here you can see call delta 46 and put delta 53, so a little more difference was there. And if price goes up, call delta to 61, so we'll adjust our position. If put delta goes to 68, we'll adjust our position. Let's check it. Where is delta now? Let's go to this is Offstar, so you can use Offstar. So let's go to option chain and let's select 15, this one, and we place 700, 15,700. Right now here you can see call delta is showing 56. When we will adjust, if price goes up, delta goes up to 61, so we will adjust our position. All right, right now what is the delta? 56, and put delta 44, so we no need to adjust, so we will adjust one direction, one leg only. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.